Hey there! I recently tested out some tire changers to save you from wasting your hard-earned cash. I know how frustrating it can be to find products that actually work, so I took the plunge and put these 5 tire changers through their paces. Let's dive into what I discovered. Product number 1. Upgrade Manual Tire Changer Duck Head Kit with Silver Cone. When I first unboxed the Exodios Upgrade Manual Tire Changer Duck Head Kit with Silver Cone, I was immediately impressed by its robust design. Weighing in at just under 10 pounds, it felt solid in my hands. The new integrated design of the steel pipe and duck head adapter not only speaks to its durability, but also makes for a seamless installation process. I remember my first attempt at using it on my car's tires. It felt like having a professional tool at my disposal. The aluminum alloy handle is not only firm, but feels great when you're applying pressure to unscrew stubborn lug nuts. One of the standout features is the high-quality, thickened steel construction, which is designed to withstand significant pressure. I really pushed it to its limits, and after several tire changes, it showed no signs of wear. The upgraded duck head adapter significantly reduced friction and improved overall efficiency, which is essential when you're on a time crunch. It's almost like the tool has a mind of its own. You just apply pressure and it does the rest, embedding itself effortlessly into the tire. Product number 2. Astral AI T1 Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with Inflator. Now, I must admit, I was skeptical about a tire gauge being a game changer, but this little device proved me wrong. It has a compact design that feels great in your hand, and at just under a pound, it's incredibly portable. I took it along on my weekend road trip to check tire pressures at gas stations, and it was a hit. What really sets this gauge apart is its accuracy. Calibrated to ANSI B40.7 Grade 2A, it can switch between 4 pressure units, ensuring you get the right reading no matter what vehicle you're checking. I remember one instance when I was inflating my bike tires, the gauge showed exactly 30 psi, which was perfect. The added feature of being able to inflate and deflate tires with the same tool is a time saver. On the downside, I found that the auto shutoff feature can be a bit finicky. If you're not quick enough while trying to get a reading, the gauge will turn off, requiring you to restart the process. Additionally, while the heavy-duty build is reassuring, it does feel a tad bulky for smaller hands. Product number 3. Upgrade Manual Tire Changer Duck Head Kit without Silver Cone. Now, let's talk about the Exodios Upgrade Manual Tire Changer Duck Head Kit without the Silver Cone. If you're someone who wants to save a few bucks but still need a reliable tire changer, this option, priced at $32.99, is a solid choice. When I first tried this kit, I was pleasantly surprised by its construction. Similar to its Silver Cone counterpart, this kit is made of thickened steel and features an integrated design that simplifies the installation process. During my testing, I found that the durability is on par with more expensive models. The aluminum alloy handle is sturdy and easy to manage, providing ample leverage to handle stubborn tires. I remember feeling a sense of satisfaction when I easily embedded the duck head into the tire with minimal effort. It's designed for tire sizes between 16 and 21 inches, making it versatile enough for most standard vehicles. However, I did encounter a couple of drawbacks. Unlike the Silver Cone variant, this one lacks the added feature that reduces friction between the steel pipes, which means it requires a bit more effort during operation. Also, the lack of a user manual can make it challenging for first-time users. Product number 4. VEVOR Tire Mount Demount Tool. The VEVOR Tire Mount Demount Tool is another heavy hitter in the tire changer game. Priced at $82.99, this tool is built to tackle larger tires, specifically those ranging from 22.5 to 24.5 inches. When I first took this tool out of the box, the heavy-duty drop-forged carbon steel construction immediately caught my eye. It has a solid feel, and the powder-coated finish seems to promise protection against rust and corrosion. Using this tool was a revelation. I was able to demount a tubeless tire in under 8 seconds, and remounting took less than 20 seconds. I remember my first time using it, it felt like I had a pit crew at my disposal. The nylon rollers also add an extra layer of safety, protecting both the tires and my hands during the process. However, don't think it's all rainbows and sunshine. The tool is heavy, weighing in at over 30 pounds, which can be cumbersome if you're working in tighter spaces. It's also not exactly portable, so if you're looking for something to take on the go, this might not be it. Product number 5. Sporosintert's Adjustable Tire Bead Breaker Mini Tire Changer. Priced at $49.99, this compact tool is a game changer for those working with smaller wheels, specifically 5-inch and 6-inch diameters. When I first set it up, I was struck by the innovative double linkage design, which made the entire tire changing process smoother than I anticipated. What I loved most about this tool is its versatility. It can handle wheel widths up to 10 inches, making it suitable for various applications from go-karts to mini bikes. I remember using it on my kid's go-kart, and it made the whole process feel effortless. The gold cadmium finish is not just for looks. It also protects the tool from corrosion, ensuring it lasts through multiple uses. On the downside, the compact design might not be suitable for users who frequently deal with larger tires. It's specifically designed for smaller applications, so if you're looking for a universal tire changer, this may not be the best fit. Additionally, the setup might take a little getting used to, especially for those new to tire changing.